Hey guys, it's Mr. Hutchison here from Hillcrest Elementary. We're working on a family fun day and we're providing you opportunities for activities in your house or outside of your house. Today, we're going to work on something called Sippy Cup Bowling. Now, you guys have most likely bowled in class before or went to a bowling alley and you have pins and a ball there. Now in your house, most likely you're not going to have pins or a ball. You have to compromise, like everything else during this time. So I was able to find several balls for this activity. I have an Orioles ball, I have a basketball, I have a volleyball trainer, and if you don't have any balls, and just obviously you want to be careful because you're rolling in this, we're not throwing the ball in your house. But if you don't have any balls in your house, you can take a few socks, roll them up, and you can make a ball that way, right? Whatever you need however you need to differentiate this, by all means do it. Do it in a safe way. Now, because I have young kids, we have lots of sippy cups, and you might have kids' cups in your house too. So as you can see, I made the pins, several of the sippy cups that we use every day. But you could use plastic or paper cups, anything that is safe and not fragile. So I've made a line. I'm going to say my line for this activity is at the edge of the carpet. I'm going to select the basketball and the socks. Okay. Now I'm going to alternate. I'm going to roll the ball twice. All right. Most likely you know the rules of bowling. If you don't, you're taking 2 rolls. You're going to step in opposition. Okay. And you're going to roll the ball underhand along the ground. Try to knock over as many of the sippy cups as you can. You have 2 rolls. Then it's your partner's turn, okay? You're gonna go through 5 times. You call them frames. And you go through it 5 times, okay? And the person at the end who has knocked over the most pins wins for that round. And it's more about having fun and the skill involved than it is about winning. So I'll start off with my basketball, okay? Lower my body, I'm gonna step in opposition, I'm gonna roll. Oh, I knocked over 1 sippy cup. Now maybe I need to increase the force a bit. Now I wonder if using a sock will work. We'll see, we're experimenting. I knocked over another one, so I have 4 left and I knocked 2 down, then my partner would go. And we would do that 5 times. Again, it's a fun way to work on rolling and a bowling activity in your house when we don't have access to most of our equipment. Hope you guys are doing well. Have a great rest of the year.